As you can see, we are right by the elevators and the stairs, and we are in 7544. Let's take you for a tour. That was a rhyme, wasn't it? Alrighty, so first of all, our room is pretty much right there by the elevators. If you look at the deck itself, we are pretty much right by the elevators. This is a balcony room on deck 4. This is the first closet, and pretty much the only closet because it's double-sided. So you got shelves in there. There's our luggage that's already arrived. There's your life jackets. And that's pretty much it as far as the closets go. All right, you got some hooks on the wall here. This is your restroom. Not sure what that is. Actually, I think it's just for the door to go into, the handle. Here's your air conditioner. We got it on as cold as it can get. One thing I like about Royal Caribbean is I love the doors. I hate the curtains on Carnival. I love the doors on Royal Caribbean. You got your toilet, pretty much standard. You got your sink. You got some toilet towels down there and your toilet paper down there. 2 natural towel racks. And then you got a full face mirror. That's me. I don't give a shit this week. You got your mirror. You got your light for the channel. One thing about, like I said, the desk, there's no USB ports, but there are a hair dryer, Kleenexes, drawers, lots of drawers, and then you have your seat and more drawers, and then more drawers. She's already put some of the stuff in. Empty drawer, and another empty drawer, and then, yes sir, the best part ever, the cooler. And that's where you can put your beer. Look, no shelves, just like the Pride. No shelves. You got your mirror that lights up with that switch right there. Very small TV. Very small TV for a cabin this big, to be honest with you. You've got cabinets here with your safe in it. And then you have more cabinet space above. Same thing. You have a sofa. And then you have no USB ports over by the bed. And then you have your lights, which you can turn on or off, all the top lights, your interior lights, your bed, again, your TV, and then out on your balcony. Now you do have a light switch for your balcony, but as you have noticed, there are no, I mean 0 USB ports in this cabin. I mean 0. As you can see, nothing as far as USB. You have your lamps and your switches behind them, and then you have your main switch, and then you have, which I like, sliding doors, as you can see. And then a pretty small balcony. There's I believe is going to be a new terminal. And there is your Terry's. She's got a drink and a phone. And that's pretty much it. And there goes the Freedom. They left really, really early. Alrighty, we'll see you on board.